Our today's crime story is from India. This story is about a young rapist who raped and killed 40 children. His name is Ravinder Kumar. Ravinder Kumar was born in 1991. He is a serial killer who embarked upon a 5 to 7 year raping and killing spree until his arrest in 2015. He was arrested from South Delhi. He targeted the children of poor families in Delhi, Mundka, Samar, Badli, Begambur and Vijayawada and confessed to killing more than 30. The serial rapist and serial killer told the police that he had first committed the crime when he was just 19 years old. The 24 years old Ravinder Kumar, who apparently shows no guilt feeling, began his crime spree sometime in 2008. Ravinder Kumar usually committed crimes in the afternoon or in the early hours. He would lure kids with candies and kill them if they resisted. Worse, he would have sex with their bodies. Many skeletons were tumbled out after the chilling confessions of Delhi's serial killer and rapist Ravinder Kumar. During interrogation, Kumar revealed all kids targeted by him were under 14 years. Ravinder Kumar used to choose children from poor localities and never visited the same area twice. He operated in Delhi, Western UP and parts of Haryana. On July 14, the Delhi police had received a call about a missing girl. The body of the missing girl was later found in an empty house close to her residence. Along with the body, the police also recovered a driving license. When the police tracked down the documents, they meet another victim of Ravinder Kumar. The victim told the police that Kumar and some of his friends tried to burn him alive, but he managed to escape and they snatched his bike with the documents. When police nabbed Ravinder Kumar, initially he admitted to rape and kill 15 children. 6 of his victims did not belong to Delhi. Earlier, FIRs had already been filed with the Mundka, Samar, Badli, Begambur and Vijayawada police stations. In 2014, Ravinder Kumar had allegedly assaulted and killed a boy in Begambur, and thinking that he was dead, dumped his body in a septic tank. However, the boy was saved as the police found him bleeding in the tank. Although Ravinder was arrested, he was later released. The remaining children were assaulted and killed in Noida, Badaun and Aligarh districts of Uttar Pradesh. He told police that he was inspired by dubbed Hollywood movies like The Mummy and The Blue movies that were often played in his village. He also said that he mostly targeted children who were out in the open to relieve themselves. The serial rapist and killer also disclosed that not only was he addicted to alcohol, but also drugs. In an inebriated state, Ravinder would go in search for poor children, since he felt that the issue would gradually not get much police attention. Nowadays he is in police custody and facing the Indian court's trial. For more crime investigation reports and serial killers documentaries, kindly don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.